Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the setting Define Custom Field. For that, from the side menu, click on the settings. Under Organization and Department, click Define Custom Field. This feature allows you to personalize your profile by including the relevant details that suits your need, and this gives you a flexibility inside the data management. You can personalize your profile with the custom field by activating this field here. You can click on the toggle button to right to activate this specific field, and you can even rename it. If you wish to put the field name as then date of birth is going to be the name of the field, which will be apart from the default fields available in the profile section. If you wish to show this field in the dynamic report, just click checkbox yes. If you show it in the payroll report, just click on checkbox yes. Now enabling this, you have to click on save button. Once you click on save, the settings are updated. Now this field is going to be viewed inside your profile section apart from the default field. Thank you.